I have been seeing these two viral Japanese hair masks on TikTok, so I finally tried them side by side to find out which viral Japanese hair mask works the best. Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherise. I test out skincare and beauty products, so you'll have a general idea on how products perform before purchasing them. So as I've mentioned before, these two hair masks are going so viral on social media, and I have been noticing that my hair is getting so dry, so it's the perfect time to try out the mask. But first, let's look at the ingredients of these two masks. The ingredients on both of these hair masks are pretty similar, which is no surprise because both of them are from Shiseido. So Shiseido is a beauty brand that is very popular in Japan. You'll notice that on the Tsubaki ingredient list, it has glycerin after water, and then on the Fino hair mask, it has sorbitol as its second ingredient, which makes the Fino hair mask thicker. And because of this, I find that the Tsubaki glided on my hair way easier than the Fino hair mask. They also both have rapeseed oil, which is known to create a protective, lustrous layer on the hair, and also royal jelly extract that can increase your hair volume, encourage hair growth, reduce hair loss, and in some instances, may even prevent hair from turning prematurely gray. The Tsubaki also has other good hair ingredients like camellia seed oil to promote hair growth and strength, and lysine for thicker hair. Meanwhile, the Fino has squalene that prevents frizz and lock-in moisture, preventing further weakening of your hair strands, and also hydrolyzed wheat protein, which is well known for its strengthening properties and its ability to replenish the void of keratin, which makes it an excellent choice for reviving damaged or chemically treated hair. Now on to the try on. Before trying this on, I washed my hair with a clarifying shampoo to make sure it's clean and can absorb the mask better. So after towel drying my hair, on my right side, I use the Fino hair mask, which as I've mentioned, when I was applying this mask, it has a thicker consistency, so it's harder to glide it on the hair. This mask has a mild floral scent, which is very pleasing. I find that I had to use more of this product on my hair because again, it was harder to distribute and drag onto my hair. And because I have dry hair, I try to really concentrate both of the hair masks on the ends of my hair. And on my left side, I use the Tsubaki hair mask, which is so easy to apply because it has a very kind of like watery consistency. So it really glides onto the hair so much quicker. It also has a slight floral but more fruity scent, which kind of reminds me of a strawberry jello. I then place my hair in a shower cap, making sure that I twirl my hair separately so they don't mix. And then I put a heated cap on for better absorption. I have not used this heated cap for the longest time, so any excuse to use it, I would. This looks kind of silly, but I remember every time I get a hair treatment at a salon, they always apply heat during those hair treatments. And apparently, it's because when you apply heat during hair treatments, it softens and lifts the hair cuticles, and this allows better absorption of the product and it can dramatically improve the result of your treatment, leading to stronger and more resilient hair. It was quite a struggle to buckle this heated cap on, but while it was on my head, the heat was actually very comforting and it's quite relaxing. Initially, I planned to let the hair mask stay on my hair for about 10 minutes, which was recommended based on what I searched online, but I extended it to 30 minutes. After removing the shower cap and the heated cap, I find that the Tsubaki side felt more lighter, and the side where I applied the Fino hair mask felt a little heavier. And then after 30 minutes, I just rinsed this with water. And while I was showering, I can really see that my hair look very, very shiny. And also, on the part where I used the Fino hair mask, that part already felt super soft. On the Tsubaki side, it's also soft, but it's not as pillowy soft as the Fino hair mask side. But both sides look very, very shiny. And for reference, the left side is what my hair looks like after I shampooed my hair, and my right side is after I used the hair mask. So after rinsing this, I blow dried my hair, and this is how it looks like just blow dried without using any brushes or any tools. And yes, I don't expect them to be super shiny, especially when you don't use a tool. I know on TikTok you see them with instant shiny hair after using the mask. But realistically, I don't think that any hair mask can really give you super shiny hair, super no frizz hair with just air drying. But with just air drying, I find that the side with the Fino hair mask has more volume and just felt, again, very pillowy soft. The Chubaki side looked a little flat and a little less soft. I also noticed that I spent a longer period of time drying the side of the Chubaki hair mask. So I then use a brush to finish styling my hair. And as you can see, the Fino hair mask still looked more volumized and a little shinier compared to the Chubaki side. It also looked like I have less frizz on the Fino side than the Chubaki side. So based on my try on, you might already know which one is my winner. And if you notice the Chubaki hair mask, the jar is already half empty because I have used it in the past and I was already pleased with it. But with the Fino hair mask, my hair just felt super soft after and a lot shinier. And although I had to use more products on the Fino side because again, it is very thick, so it's hard to know if you already put a lot and it's hard to really glide on your hair. So I ended up using more than what I used on the Chubaki side. But even though I use more, when it comes to cost, it is $2.20 Canadian more at Stelvana, but it has 50 grams more, so it's still a win. So if you're looking for a hair mask that wouldn't just give you soft, shiny hair, but would also give you that volume, I think that the Fino hair mask would be suited for you. But what do you guys think? Which side do you like better? The Fino hair mask side or the Chubaki side? And have you guys tried this mask? Let me know in the comments down below which one works for you. And if you have any questions that I didn't cover on this video, just comment down below and I'll be so happy to help. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can support me in continuing to produce more content on my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!